Hi guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's videos we're going to unbox another smartwatch, which is the Hw22. Let's go! Hey you guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have here another watch, which is the Hw22, and I got this one guys for around $24 Shopee. Yes, so this is almost the same with DT100, I mean with their pricing. And now let's check if it's better or not with the DT100 smartwatch. So guys, this is the front of the box. So as you can see there is Hw22 branding on the left, and in the middle there is the watch and the different watch faces. And on the lower right there is a Wear Fit Pro application, so you will have to download that one for you to connect. Okay, and on the side there's nothing guys. Okay, and we have here the specifications of the watch. So they have here the display, which is 1.75 inch 320 by 385 TFT display, and the battery capacity is 200 milliamperes. Okay, so now let's open it guys. Alright, so upon opening here we can see the watch itself. Okay, here it is in navy blue. Okay, so let's set that aside. And we have here the manual, okay, in Chinese and English. And we have here the charger. Yes, so what's nice about this charger guys, it's because it's just a dock style, so you just have to place the watch and it will be properly placed, and it has this kind of support here so that you will not have hard time in attaching your smartwatch. So that's all in the box guys. So now let's take a look of our Hw22 watch. So let's take this one out. Alright, so it really reminds me of the DT100 guys that I have. Okay, and they're almost the same. And we have here the strap. This is actually 44 millimeters guys, the strap. So if you want to replace this one, you can order it online as well. Okay, and on the right, so you have here the crown. Okay, and we have here the microphone and also the power button, but actually it is not working guys, it is just a design. And on the left we have here the speaker grill, and at the back so you have here the sensors and the two charging pins. Okay, so let's try to turn it on. Alright guys, so I think our Hw22 has a low battery, so let's just connect the charger here, place it. Make sure the pins are properly placed like that. And okay, so it's already now charging, so we'll be right back guys. Alright guys, so we are back with our Hw22 smartwatch. So now let's turn it on guys. Alright, so upon turning on, so you will be greeted with this watch face here, and also with the time and the weather on top, and also with the date. So as you can see, it really looks the same with our DT100 smartwatch. Now I will try to change the watch face for us to see the bezels clearly. A little bit disappointed guys because I have no idea on how to change the watch face on the smartwatch directly. So I think for us to change the watch face, then we have to connect this one to Wear Fit Pro. So we cannot change it now guys. So I just gonna give you the bezels here, gonna show you the bezels. So the bezels here, it's quite thick here. Yes, as you can see. Yes, but it's not bad. Okay, so now let's try to swipe down guys. We'll have here the lock code, brightness, Bluetooth call, shutdown, and also the settings and flashlight. So for the lock guys, so when you press that one, then it says there that you have to long press the lock for 3 seconds. So let's do it. Okay, so for that guys, it's already unlocked. Okay, when we swipe up guys, then it will have here the message notification, and when we swipe to the right, then we have here the split screen or the shortcut of our applications. When you swipe to the left, then you can see there the different shortcuts for heart rate, data, and weather. Okay, and you can add the components if you want to. Okay, so now we're going to look at the applications. So let's try to just press this lock here. It will take us to the menu options. So for us to change the style, all we have to do is try to click the lock screen for 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, and it will change to the grid style. Again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we will have here the like a bubble launcher style. So for us to look at the applications easily, let's change it into list style. I was really thinking that maybe there is really no way for us to change the style, but I am trying to experiment on the watch and try to explore on the watch. Then I found that you just have to click this one 3 times for us to change the style. Now, so much for that. So we have here heart rate. Okay, so as you can see, the sensors are lighting, guys. So we have here the basic heart rate that we have, the SpO2 for oxygen level, BP for blood pressure, outdoor sports. So let's count, or let's look at it. So we have here outdoor running, outdoor cycling, open water, sit-ups, on foot, mountaineering, other sports. So the words are quite weird, guys, but you know, we just have to understand that one. And we also have here the indoor activities, indoor running, indoor cycling, swimming pool, sit-ups, push-ups, and free movement. Then at first also, guys, I didn't know that the crown was working because I really thought that it cannot be used. But I am surprised that when I tried to change it into this style, then it is already working. So this is good. Okay, and now let's have here the phone. So this is for your Bluetooth call. Next, we have here data, and we also have here sleep. Okay, for your monitoring. Okay, we have here weather, breathe. I like this breathe as usual because it will help you relax. So as you inhale, the watch is actually vibrating as well. And then we also have their exhale, so that's nice. Then we have here the weather. Okay, so as you see, our weather is not yet set. We also have here the mat, stopwatch, and shake to take pictures, music, countdown, pressure, or this is more like your stress level, and your message. Yes. What I don't like about the crown, guys, is it's a little bit slow. When you try to scroll it down, it's a little bit slow. Then we also have here message and setup. So we have here dimming, guys. So if you want to make your watch brighter, and bright screen duration, so you can change it to whichever you like. Then screen time off. Okay, like 10 seconds. Phone settings. So dial mute, dial vibration, call vibration. Okay. And we also have language. Yes. Setting, vibration, do not disturb mode, and raise your wrist to bright. Yes. Then restore factory settings and shut down. Okay, so I think that is for this initial impression, guys. So now my initial impression of this watch is it's for me, it's a typical watch that we have in the market at the price point. What I like with it, it's because it gives us the basic function. But other than that, there is really no special feature that it has compared to the other watch. And it's a little bit pricey compared to the DT100. And what I am stressed about is also is the watch face, because I have no idea how I can change the watch face directly without connecting it to my application. Now, and another thing that for me, it's a little bit of a con. The crown, it's a little bit slow, yeah, and the UI is a little bit laggy. So It isn't so fast like as I expected. Yes, and what else? Yeah, this is just my initial impression, and I will be testing this one for a couple of days, and I will let you know about my full review of this Hw22 smartwatch, especially with its battery and my opinion of daily usage, and also with its features. Okay, guys, so if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.